In this video, I'm going to give you more information about Videly's video ranking software's founders discount deal that they're currently running. I don't know how long they're going to be running it for, but I'm going to give you some more information and also give you some really great bonuses as well. So if you want to see what the bonuses are and the discount and more information about this Videly's founders discount, stay tuned. Okay, so currently I am on Videly's website and you can see in front of me they are offering a special founders offer which is going to give you 65% discount, which means that you're saving $130. So you can actually buy Videly Standard for $93.80. Now before you grab Videly's founders offer, I do want to let you know about my bonuses, which can be found at grabvidely.com. And if you head over to this website, it's got tutorials, reviews, demos, everything you need to know about Videly, but it also has Videly bonuses. And right here, just want to let you know a little bit more information about these Videly bonuses, because if you watch my courses and then use the information from my courses and use it with Videly, you're going to absolutely dominate your competition. So bonus number one is my local business overnight ranking. This is a 14 videos of shortcuts and expert knowledge showing you live how to rank your business in any niche instantly using video SEO. Bonus two is video marketing blaster proof. And if you want proof that Videly works, remember Videly and video marketing blaster are the same thing. And this case study will show you how I ranked a plumbing niche from A to Z live. Follow these steps and nothing will stop your ranking abilities. Bonus 3 is the 10-minute keyword research hack course, and this will shorten your research by learning how to convert one super profitable keyword into unlimited profitable keywords in 10 minutes. Okay, it's a profitable hack you won't want to skip. And then finally, bonus 4, small payments, big profits. So for the past 2 years, I've been passively earning £1 over 137 times per day. You will learn the exact step-by-step method on how I do this and how you can replicate this. And you will gain access to all of these bonuses if you use my affiliate link on this site to purchase Videly's founder discount right here. So all you need to do is visit grabvidely.com, click on this button here, or here, or this image here, or by Videly, and it will take you to the official Videly website where you can purchase the founders offer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you grab this deal as soon as possible. I don't know how long Videly are planning to keep this founders offer up for, but a nice big discount on softwares like this is a massive advantage for us marketers. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.